If you're looking for information on the AltText Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The AltText Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the AltText Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. AltText made easy. Enhance the search engine optimization and accessibility of your website using alt text that is generated by AI in more than 130 languages. This service offers integrations for various platforms, such as WordPress, CMS, Shopify, web, and API. How it works. Having alt tag attributes is crucial to enhance both SEO and page accessibility. Instead of depending on a human to manually create descriptions for each image on your website, you can streamline the process with AltText.ai. This platform offers a user-friendly WordPress plugin, CMS integrations, a comprehensive developer API, and a web interface that can generate alt text in over 130 languages. Automate your alt text SEO workflow today with AltText.ai. Number 1. Upload an image. You can make use of our CMS integrations, API, or web interface and add any SEO keywords that you wish to use. Number 2. This AI analyzes the image. Our technology can analyze the image and perform its functions in just 1 second. Number 3. You get alt text. An exact portrayal of the image is produced, which can be readily utilized on your website. AltText.ai automatically generates image alt text for SEO and accessibility. It uses AI technology to analyze images and produce accurate descriptions in over 130 languages. You can upload images or CSV files, paste links, or integrate with WordPress, Shopify, and CMS apps. Alt text can be optimized for search engines by listing keywords and can include specific product and brand names for e-commerce businesses. AltText.ai works with major WordPress SEO plugins. With lifetime access, AltText.ai takes the busy work off your plate and improves your website's SEO and accessibility. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to AltText.ai today. One-time purchase of $29 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.